Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Attendix from the 2024 Wave 3. We have Chase Elliott's 2024 Napa Auto Parts car. On the back you can get other cars like Hailie Deegan, Ty Gibbs Gray Interstate Batteries car, Ryan Blaney and Cole Custer's championship cars, and Ben Rhodes' truck. And many more of the other cars. So I'm going to get Chase Elliott out of the box and I'll be back to show you the car. Okay, so now that I got Chase Elliott out of the box, here I'm now going to show you the car. So here is Chase Elliott's 2024 Napa Auto Parts car. Chase Elliott still has pretty much the same design scheme because of this yellow arrow and line that goes through the car. But instead, usually there would be some white, and there's a bit of small of white on the bottom, near the bottom of the car. But mostly Chase Elliott's car is blue, so they just painted the whole car blue. And there's another variant of this car, but it's just in all white. And to be honest, I do like the all blue variant than the white one. So pretty much you still got the same. You got the same Napa logo on here. Here, the hood is now blue with the yellow number 9. And on the sides, the 9 is actually white instead of yellow, but with a yellow and bluish outline. And on top, there's a white and blue outline. On the side of the car, you still got Napa Auto Parts, and there's some pretty much horrible layering from the Lionel group. Sorry to point that out. The Luminar, Coca-Cola, Hooters, which is no longer a sponsor for Hendrick Motorsports. They just dropped them. On the front, it's pretty much a nice blue hood with the white outlines here. So these white outlines used to be... There used to be white in the area, but pretty much the white lines just represent where the border of the paint scheme is. Also on the back, you got Napa, Get Up and Go, Valvoline, Camaro, the number 9. On top, you got Napa Auto Parts, excuse me. And also, don't forget, Hendrick Motorsports 40 years, it's right there, and it's kind of pretty hard to see it. But overall, this is a good-looking car. And I think that'll conclude today's episode. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.